Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my. Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm going to make my own hair clip. So I have this old hair clip down here, this metal, and I'm gonna use this flower here. I made this flower and this nail polish. I'm gonna paint with this metal down here for my hairpin or hair clip. And I'm gonna use also a glue, super glue, and maybe I can use the scissor. So guys, let's get started and keep watching till the end. So guys, first I'm gonna do is to paint this metal using a nail polish. Okay, so let's get it on. I'm gonna use this color. It's just like I'm painting my nails because it's, look at this, it's a little bit rusty, it's old already, see, so I have to paint it with this nail polish and let it dry later on before designing. So here it is. As I love blue color, I'll be using a blue color. Maybe I can make it a two coating coat like this one. So I'm gonna let it dry first this side because it's too wet yet, so I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back later. So this one also will be, I will color it another blue color, dark blue. I'm gonna use this dark blue. The reason why I'm shaking it or I'm rolling it to my palm this time, this nail polish, is because I wanna shake it. Okay. So here it is. Again, I'll be coating it twice because if I only coat it once, it's too light. It's too light, yes. And I'm gonna use two coating for nail polish. So first, I'm gonna let it dry, and later on, I'll come back later on, guys. And let's proceed. So actually, this is the color of my nails now. There it is. So I'll come back later, guys. So guys, here it is. It's already done applying these two colors of nail polish. So it has new look already. There's no rusting here already. See? So let's start making our own hairpin, okay? Hair clip. So let's get it done. So guys, here it is. I'm gonna try this on my hair now.